Assalamualaikum and hi to Madam and the Evaluator. We are from Group 5. We will be presenting on Superstore company sales analysis that to discover trend of Superstore company sales and the potential of business growth. The data collected is from 2015 until 2018. Before we move further, I will introduce my team member. Firstly, me, myself, Siti Nur Adlina Yusrina binti Nur Azizan, then Aimi Iwani binti Zairul Hisham, Farah Ashikin binti Jumain, and also Zulaika Husna binti Khairul Anwar. Before we go to dashboard presentation, I will explain the background of this project objectives and the company's target user. As for the background, the Superstore company is a small retail business. It is located in United States. They sell many categories of products such as furniture, office supplies, and technology products. Their target customer are the mass consumer, corporate, and home offices. There are some weaknesses that could be identified in order to boost the Superstore company's profit of sales. Therefore, the Superstore company needs to determine the category of product that frequently purchased by the customer and which product has been sold from 2015 until 2018. Following the statement, it can help the Superstore company to choose which category of product would bring the profit to boost their company's growth. Then, I will be proceed to objectives of the project. First, we need to analyze the sales of products by year. Then, we need to identify the category of product that is frequently purchased by the customers and to determine the relationship between the category of product and sales. And the main target users is a top management of a Superstore company in the United States.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam and everyone. My name is Farah Ashkin binti Jumain. Today I'm going to explain about our group project dashboard. Okay, the title for our dashboard is Superstore Company Analysis Dashboard. The data is taken from year 2015 until 2018. Okay, we can see on my right hand side, we put a total sales for Superstore Company, which is $2.26 million. And on my left hand side, we put two slicer, which is year and category. For year, we list 2015 until 2018. And for category, we put office supplies, technology, and furniture. Okay, on our dashboard consists of 7 different chart. Okay, the arrangement for our chart based from the priority of our objective. Okay, this is our main chart, which is sales trend of Superstore from 2015 until 2018, followed by the category of product quantity by sales, trend of sales by category, category on subcategory obtained by sales. On the bottom side, we have a 3 additional chart, which is sales transaction by region, ship mode made by customer, and number of transaction made by segment. Okay, we only use a one dashboard because easier for our target user, for example, Superstore company manager, to analyze the sales trend only by only looking at one dashboard only. Okay, for example, if the manager want to look for the sales trend on year 2018, he can click on the slicer year 2018, and then if he want to look for the furniture, okay, he just can click on category furniture. Then the dashboard will change based on year 2018 and category furniture. So that is all from me for dashboard. I will pass it to my other team members.
Thank you, Farah, for the roughly explanation about the dashboard. So, I will proceed with the category of product quantity by sales using bar chart. Based on the bar chart visualizes the data about the category of product quantity obtained by sales from 2015 until 2018. The x-axis is the category of product and y-axis is the count of sales. There are different colors that indicates each bar. For the blue bar, it represents furniture. For the purple bar, refers to office supplies, and lastly, gray bar represents to technology. The number of the category of product quantity is equal to 9,800. As we can see in the bar chart, office supplies have the highest category of product quantity from 2018 until 2015 until 2018. The total quantity of the office supplies is equal to 5,909 quantity products. This is followed by the second highest quantity of product category, which is furniture. That has 2,078 quantity in total. Lastly, based on the bar chart, we see that the lowest category of product quantity is technology, which has only 1,813 from 9,800 in total. Therefore, we can conclude that office supplies are the highest selling items in Superstore company since the category of product has the highest quantity that have been sold from 2015 until 2018. Also, from that we can see that office supplies are more demanding instead of furniture and technology. Therefore, this graph meets with our second objective, which is the category product frequently purchased by the customer.
Next, I am going to explain about trend of sales by category. Okay, for this chart, we use a line chart to show a trend of sales from year 2015 until 2018, okay, based on three categories, which are furniture, office supplies, and technology. For the gray line, it indicates technology. For the blue lines, we use for furniture, and for the pink line, for office supplies. Okay, from this graph, we can look at the technology from 2015, the sales are decreasing to 2016. Okay, it shows from the values from $173,865 to $162,257. But it started to increase from 2016 until 2018. Okay, the value shows from $162,257 to $269,370. Okay, for office supplies, okay, on the pink graph, on the pink line, we can look at the sales trend from 2015 until 2016 is decreasing. The values are from $149,512 to $133,124, and it started to increase the sales from 2016 until 2018, which are $133,124 to $240,367. However, for furniture, it steadily increased from 2015, which the value is $156,477 to 2018, which are $212,313. From this graph, we can look that the customer prefer to buy category for technology and office supplies rather than buy furniture. Okay, it also meet with our first objective, which is to analyze the sales of product by year. Next, I am going to explain about number of transactions made by segment. Okay, we use a bar chart to show a sales transaction based on three segments, which are consumer, corporate, and home office. For the green bar indicates consumer, for the orange bar indicate corporate, and for the purple bar indicate home office. Okay, based on this graph, we can look at the highest sales transaction is consumer, which takes about $1.50 million, and the lowest transaction, which is home office, is 0.42 million compared to the corporate, which is take 0.69 million. Based on this graph, we can look that the customer prefer to buy a product for consumer purposes rather than for corporate and home office. That is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Zulaikha. As for the graph of pie chart, sales transaction by region and shipment made by customer. The two pie chart is related to the objective 3, which is determine the relationship between the category of product and sales. Therefore, this is a set of chart that we may obtain from the graph to discover trend line of category of product to boost the company. As we can see, whereas the year of is 2018 and the category of product is furniture. Okay. Therefore, the percentage of sales transaction by region and segment made by customer will be changed by year and category of product. As we can see, West have the highest percentage of sales transaction by region, while Central is Central has the lowest percentage of sale transaction by region. Okay, next we move to the ship mode by customer. As we can see, standard class have the highest percentage of ship mode made by customer, while same day have the lowest percentage of ship mode made by customer. So that's all for me, and I will pass to the team members.
So, madam, my name is Ayani Bukizalisha. I will be presenting the last two charts in our dashboard. For the first chart, this chart illustrates a line chart of category sales trend obtained using the yearly quarter from 2015 to 2018. The x-axis of this chart shows the year in quarter, meanwhile the y-axis of this chart shows the sum of Superstore sales. We can identify the sales trend of Superstore within in 4 years periods for each category. This chart only focusing at slicer because it's a line chart. Okay, which was 2015. Okay, the highest sales goes to quarter four at $177,528, and the lowest sales goes to quarter one at $73,931. Okay, which was 2016. Okay, you see that the line chart are almost in a straight line with the highest sales of quarter four at $118,804 and the lower sales at quarter one of $62,357. Okay, in 2017, the line chart seems like an upward step with the highest sales goes to quarter four at $234,388 and the lowest sales goes to quarter one at $92,686. 2018, the highest sales as usual at quarter four, $278,416. The lowest sales goes to quarter one at $122,260. Okay. Thus, this line chart meet our objective, which is to determine the relationship between the category of product and sales. Okay. For the next chart, which is our last chart in dashboard, these are a three-map diagram of category on subcategory obtained by sales. This chart is divided into three types of category according to the type of category. Okay. The first color is grey color, indicates of technology subcategory. The second color is blue color, indicates of furniture subcategory, and the last color, pink color, indicate of office supplies subcategory. This pyramid diagram, we use category slicer first, which was technology. As we can see, phone has the largest surface area of tile, which means phone has the highest sales at $327,782. Okay, we go to furniture as second section. You can see that chair is the largest surface area of tile, which means that chair has highest sales at $322,822. Okay, we go to the last part, office supplies. Okay, office supplies, we can see that storage has the largest surface area of the highest sales at $219,343. Therefore, this diagram illustrates which of the three categories of subcategory has the greatest sales. That's all for me.
In conclusion, all the project objectives were met with remarkable success. Based on the study conducted for this project by illustrating the graph on the dashboard of the Superstore company, we have discovered the trends of the Superstore company's sales and the potential on how the company can grow their business. We can identify the categories which are always purchased by the customer. Overall, we can conclude that office supplies are more demanding in Superstore company instead of furniture and technology. Therefore, the company can avoid the production of non-demanding category products to avoid losses that will occur to the company. In addition, we were able to analyze annual sales trend from 2015 to 2018. The data shows the fluctuation on the trend. However, There is increment from quarter 2 2018 until the end of 2018. It shows a positive trend for the company's strive in advancing their company to become a well-known company in the United States. Following these statements, we were able to determine the relationship between product categories and annual sales. It will be a good opportunity for the Superstore company as in growing the Superstore company to the international level. We expect that a result of the analysis, top management of Superstore company in the United States will devise a strategy to boost the business growth in following years. That's all from us. Thank you.